GreenPack QC department follows strict quality control standards. Our QC team checks the production line every 30 minutes to make sure all bags meet the required quality. This helps us control product quality in real time and ensures customers always receive bags with steady quality. We look for any small defects on the surface, making sure the bags have clean and clear appearance that meets your packing standards. Accurate size control helps your production run smoothly with no fitting issues. Stable thickness gives better strength and sealing performance for your products. We test the sealing force to make sure the bags stay closed during filling and transport. Our bags can be sealed from 135C to 175C with stable results. Our QC team works 24 hours a day. We take samples whenever there is any change, such as order change, size change, material change, or machine setting change. We take around 1,000 samples every day. Each sample is clearly marked with production time, order number, machine, and operator. All retained samples are kept for 3 years. This allows us to review past production and support customers whenever needed. These are our regular tests. If needed, we can also run special tests such as oxygen transmission, water vapor transmission, boiling and freezing resistance, Corona for printing, anti-fog, easy peel, and skin pack performance. These tests help make sure the bags fit your product, your machines, and your market requirements.